How to blur out something inside Davinci Resolve version 18.5. More exactly, I have an incorrect date and it's always in the same spot, so there will be no motion tracking. So each and every clip has that incorrect date in the lower right corner. Let's see how to blur out on multiple clips. To do that, come here to Effects. On the Effects folder, you can open and close these. You have Adjustment Clip. Drag the adjustment clip above all of the clips. Now drag the left side and move it to the beginning. And drag the right side and move it till the end. Notice it's not jumping there, so enable this one, which is snapping. And now if you grab the end, it should jump exactly there to the end. If you take a look at the beginning, hold down the Alt key and scroll up. That adjustment layer did not went to the beginning, so drag that one all the way to the beginning. Shift Z to zoom out. Now come here to this one, which is the color tab. Click on clips up here. Make sure the adjustment layer is selected, not a clip, but the entire adjustment layer. From here you can set it to fit. Now come here to this circular thing with 4 points at the corners, which is called window. I will use, let's say, circle. Click on that one. Let's hide the clips to make this portion larger. Okay, move this one from this portion to the corner. You can even resize it from the white one, not the red one, but the white one. You can zoom in with the scroll wheel, so scroll up and now push down the scroll wheel and pan it. Push down the scroll wheel because it's also a click, and pan it. Move it there with the left click. Pan it up with the scroll wheel. You can grab the corner also, make it smaller. The red one or pink, it's adjusting the feather. The feathering is done between this one and that one. So this portion will be feathered out. That is between the blurred area and the non-blurred area. There will be a transition. And this pink one is controlling that one. Now come here to this water droplet sign, which is called blur. And increase one of these numbers. Simply click on it and drag it to the right. There is blurring it. If you want to see that shape, then you must come back to this one, by the way, which has a modification, has a red dot there. Okay, and now I will make the feather larger and let's set it to fit. To hide that one, go to something else, let's say blur. Go back to the Edit tab, and it's still somewhat visible. Let's blur it even more. Back to the Color tab, Blur tab, increase the number, and it's somewhat okay. It's still visible that it's there, but it's blurred out. So that's how to blur a non-moving static object which is present on multiple clips inside Davinci Resolve.